Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how we can use G-code interpreter program in TIA portal, also in Simotion Scott TIA programs. We need four programs to write G-code program to Simosim program for simulation. Firstly, we need a TIA portal. You need to download the TIA portal version 14 or upper versions. You can download the TIA portal from the website of the Siemens. If you Google it, you will find this link. Uh, if you enter it, uh, you can see the three DVDs here. It's about 6, 7, it's about 15 gigabytes. The second one is if you download the version 15.1, you need to download Simotion Scott version 5.3. You can also find this from the website of the Siemens. Uh, you can directly download the TIA version 5.3 for the version of the 15.1 in TIA portal. It corresponds each others. You can download this. Also, you can download Simotion Scan standalone, the version 5.3 CP1. You can download this. I advise you to download the standalone one. Uh, let's check what is inside it. When you download it, you will see three folders, which names is Wall 1, Wall 2, Wall 3. Wall 1 is the main Simotion Scout program. This program also download the Semantic Manager for the base of the Simotion Scout. The second one, Wall 2, includes a Simosim program. You need to download this. You need to set up three of them. Uh, the most important one for our project for G-code interpreter is the Simotion Scout TIA program. You need to download this from the Vol3 folder. After we did these setups, we need download the G-code interpreter program, Simotion. We need to write this Simotion. You will see the Simotion G-code interpreter. Click this. You need to register and log in with your account. We have four documents here. Two of them are PDFs. Uh, Two of them is zip file. Uh, the third one is our main program template. We will use this program to write our G-code program and make a simulation uh, with G-code commands. Also, there is a manual Simotion G-code interpreter. We need to log in. Uh, if you click this, you will download You will see the manual. You can find all information to make this code interpretation. All the steps are written in this document, but I will explain it in basically. Uh, the third one, the Simotion G code version 3.2. Uh, After download this, uh, I downloaded it before. There's a zip file. Extract this. You will see this SimG code version 3 to TIA version 14. I said before we need at least version 14 for TIA portal, and if we open the TIA portal, we need to first browse our program, go to desktop and open the SimG code file and select the SimG code version 3.32 AP14. Open it. If you use the version of TIA portal as different from the version 14, you will see the upgrade page. Click the upgrade button and wait the transformation of the program. And let's click the project view. The project is ready to start. Uh, the fourth program was Notepad++. If you Google it, you will find this. You can find the version 8.5.2. We need this program to transfer the G-code file to the Simotion device. Uh, After we open the project, we see two devices inside our project. The one is Simotion D445 to DPPN. You can change this device by click right and click change device. You can change the version of the device. Also, we have an HMI, which version of this is KTP 900F mobile. We have a ready template here. We will start this. Click the HMI one and press the start simulation object. These steps can take a bit long time. You need to wait for it. The HMI program is opening. You see the interface of G-code interpreter HMI program. There is an overview sections. There is editor, program, interpreter, interpolator, and tools sections. Also, there is a machine configuration one, machine configuration two, diagnostic and trace. This part is important for us to observe the movement of our axis. Uh, Also, the uh, program part under overview. This part is important to download the G-code program to our Simotion simulation. Uh, then we need to click the Simotion configuration under the Simotion device. Double click this and wait the opening of Simotion Scout TIA. Our Simotion Scout TIA program is opened. Uh, with the Simotion device, Dynamics integrated. We need to start the simulation. As I said, you need to download the Simosim program, and also I wanna say this Simotion device has a version of 5.1, uh, so you need to download the Simosim 5.1. Let's click the device and click the button Start Simosim. We need to adjust PGPC settings. Uh, Device is Siemens Simosim Virtual Ethernet adapter TCP/IP1. Uh, Click Accept Settings. Uh, if this is different from this, you need to click the PGPC and go to the settings of PGPC options. Uh, you see the Siemens Simosim Virtual Ethernet Adapter TCP/IP1. You need to click this and say OK. After this, you need to click the Accept Settings and say yes. The Simosim is opened and click the Go Online button, the yellow one. Our program is going to be online and it became online. We need to download the device to this program. You see the project and the device is not equal. Click the download to target system. Say yes. This can take a bit time. This process can take time, depends on the performance of your computer. You need to wait. Friends, I want to say something about a problem. I encountered a problem which was a compile error. If you encounter a problem like this, restart the computer and the problem will probably be solved. Let's wait the loading of the program to Simosim. The program is downloaded and run the simulator. You see the connection is established, and now let's look at how we can download a G-code program. Let's open the Notepad++. There is a connection settings for here. Uh, there was some programs that I used before. Let's close all the programs. And now click settings, profile settings, or not. Okay. Right click under the profiles, create new profile. Host name should be the IP address. How we can find this? Let's go to Simotion TIA and right click the Simotion device and click properties. We will see the device address which is selected here 169.254.11.12.22. We need to write this address to the hostname box. We need to write Simotion for username. Also, the password is same. Simotion. Username and password are same. And the connection type should be selected FTP. Click close and click connection connected to new profile. Uh, there is a G-code files that we should write is under user Simotion HMI and user files. We have here we have G-code files 1 and G-code files 2. This uh, this is about two channels of our program, our device. Uh, if we download the first part, we use channel 1. If we make a download to second file, we use if we use the second channel, we will download a program to the first one. What we need to do is making selecting the program no one. There's a old program that I used before. It will come like this empty file. We can write a G-code program here. Let's make a simple program. G0 x0 y0 z0. This is a home positioning, and make a linear movement x100 y50, and make this movement in just in xy plane, x100, and feed rate I want to make it f 50, then go to x50 y0, then go to back and save this file. You be sure the which program file you selected and save this. Then go to HMI simulation. Channel 1 is selected. Program no one, load. Then you will see the program that you wrote on Notepad++, program no one dot snc. You see the program, both program are same. Then be sure override is not 0. Make it 20. Then click the diagnostic trace and be sure select the production. It shouldn't be stay manual. It should be selected production. Then click to off and select the plane which you want to observe. Select XY plane. Our movement will be on XY plane. And again select this switch on and press start. You see we are getting samples. We can observe how our axes are moving, and we can also observe the value of our axis position as a millimeter. We can speed up by increasing the override, but if we increase the override value, the samples has an empty between two samples. You see this part is more thick, but this has as a dot in a line. It depends on how you want to observe. If you want a fast observing, you can increase the override. Also, I want to show you you can reset the trace, make it faster. Click start. If you click interrupt, you will your device will stop, and you can not stop. You can pause the device and click the continue. It will continue. If you click stop, your program uh, goes to first line. Press click, but you see our position is not equal to 0. Firstly, our program will go to the first line and make the positions, axis positions, as 0 0. Let's observe this. Let's see. You see firstly it goes to downgrade, then execute the program. This was the basic way of using G-code interpreter. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, you can ask it in comments. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.